after the most interesting topic that we did in maths today, that is patterns, I'm here with you to begin with our today's EVS class. And what are we going to do in EVS? Something really more interesting. So we have learnt about different farm animals, then we did about wild animals, and today we are going to learn about a new type of animal, that is water animal. The animals that live in the water. So we are going to collect different facts about these animals, कि कैसे रहते हैं, how they live, what they eat, what they do in water, how they make their home there. This is all what we are going to gather knowledge today. Isn't it interesting again? So hope that you have understood your patterns. मजा आया आपको patterns करने में? I expect a very attractive work from you all related to your patterns. And now let's start with our today's work in EVS. So water animals. What are water animals? The animals that live in the water. The animals that live on the water. Both are called water animals. Like we have fish. Water animals का नाम लेते, the first thing that comes to our mind is fish. And if I ask you, can you tell me one poem of this related to water animals? Yes. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, पानी में डालो जी जाएगी, सारा पानी पी जाएगी. And one more rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. So you remember these two rhymes whenever we are talking about water animals, fish, and these two rhymes, isn't it? So not only fish, there are a lot of other water animals that live in water. Other animals, those live in water are like, we have among fish also, na, there are different varieties of fish. ठीक है? A part of fish we have jellyfish. So this is a fish which is in the form of an umbrella. इसकी जो शेप होती है जेलीफिश की, it is something like an umbrella. And can you see this semicircle part? This semicircle part is transparent. Transparent मतलब जिसके आर पार आप देख सकते हैं. As we have those cellotapes, or you can say जो आप नोटबुक पे कवर लगाते हो, that is transparent. You can see through it. ठीक है? या फिर जो हमारी कबर्ड्स के ऊपर ग्लास लगा होता है. See, there is a difference between a glass and a mirror. मिरर जिसमें हम अपना फेस देखते हैं, ग्लास जिसके हम नेक्स्ट साइड देख सकते हैं कि क्या रखा है. सो दिस जेलीफिश इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट फिश. और ये जो नीचे नीचे आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये क्या होता है, इसके टेंटिकल्स होते हैं, बहुत सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट धागे की तरह होते हैं. दे आर जस्ट लाइक थ्रेड्स एंड दे कीप ऑन फ्लोटिंग. ऐसे ऐसे ना, जैसे मैम के फिंगर्स देख रहे हैं आप, दिस इज समथिंग लाइक जेलीफिश. ऐसे ऊपर एक अम्ब्रेला सा होता है एंड ये ऐसे 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 वाटर में दे कीप ऑन फ्लोटिंग लाइक दिस in the water. So it's a jellyfish. This is one type of a fish you can see under the water. और water में भी कहाँ, बिल्कुल जो deep down in the sea, ये मिलते हैं आपको. Then a part of this we have, which animal is this? Having 8 legs, a big head. कौन है ये? It's a octopus. कौन है ये? Octopus. Yes. Octopus is an animal which has 8 legs. ये देख रहे हो आप, काउंट देम. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो ये जो ऑक्टोपस होता है, फर्स्ट इट इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल होता है एंड इट हैज 8 लेग्स. इसकी कितनी लेग्स होती है? 8 लेग्स. और जब इसको अपने लिए खाना पकड़ना होता है ना, ऐसे 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 सारी लेग्स को यूज करके उनको पकड़ लेते हैं. क्लियर? सो फिश में ऑक्टोपस भी है. देन वी हैव अ स्टारफिश. A fish which is in the shape of a star. So ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा बन गया, but it's a starfish. Okay, so I'm not that good in the drawing, isn't it? Then next we have is a crab. क्रैब क्या होते हैं, देखा है आपने कभी क्रैब को? तो आपने इफ यू हैव एवर सीन अ क्रैब, रेड कलर का होता है एंड दे ऑलवेज वॉक साइडवेज, ऐसे साइडवेज चलते हैं एज वी वॉक फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड, बट दीज क्रैब्स ना दे वॉक साइडवर्ड्स, ये साइड में चलते हैं, दे कैन नॉट वॉक फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड क्योंकि जो इनकी लेग्स होती हैं दे आर ऑन द साइड्स, so either they can walk left side or they can walk on the right side. Then we have seahorse. See, you all have seen a horse. Horse is a farm animal, you know that. Then we have seen a zebra who is also looking like a horse. Sea में भी एक horse होता है and we call it a seahorse. क्या बोलते हैं हम उनको? Seahorse. Basically that is a fish. वो एक fish ही होती है but it is in the shape of horse. As we have a starfish which is in the star shape, it looks like a star. Similarly we have a seahorse. वो किसकी तरह दिखता है? Horse की तरह दिखता है but it is a type of a fish. Then we have dolphins. Dolphins are huge big fishes and they have a small horn here. उनके फिश का जो उनका जो माउथ होता है वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे बाहर निकला होता है, एक you can say रॉड की तरह निकला होता है. And these dolphins they are very friendly, बहुत फ्रेंडली होती हैं, दे डोंट हार्म एनीवन, कोई भी उनको जाके उनके साथ प्लेफुल होती हैं. इफ यू वांट एंड यू वांट टू प्ले विद देम, दे प्ले विद यू, they come out of water, they go inside the water, and when they are outside the water they can come out of water for some time and they play, then they again go back to the water. So dolphins are really very friendly fishes. Then we have shark, whale, the giant one, सबसे big होती हैं sharks, whales, and they are very cruel. अगर उन्होंने आपको देख लिया है and they'll kill you, they'll eat you up. Okay, so these sharks, whales, they can eat animals also, men also. And now apart then we have crocodiles. You know that crocodiles can live in the water and they can live outside the water. Yes, these fish they cannot live outside the water, वो water में ही रहती हैं. But water animals ऐसे भी हैं जो water में भी रहते हैं but बाहर भी, like we have these crabs. Then we have lobsters sometime. Then some lobsters, not every time, lobsters भी थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी के बिना रह पाते हैं. Then we have crocodiles, they can also stay without water. Clear? And anything else? आप कभी भी सी शोर जाएंगे, you will find lot of crabs there. वो पानी के साथ क्या होता है, when the waves come with ना वो water की waves के साथ आ जाते हैं and they remain on the shore. Clear? Then we have turtles. देखिए tortoise एक होता है, turtle दूसरा होता है, दिखने में एक जैसे होते हैं but the difference is tortoise cannot live in water. जो tortoise होता है वो सिर्फ land पे रह सकता है, but if we are talking about turtles, वो दिखते tortoise की तरह है, उनके ऊपर भी shell होता है but जो उनकी foots होती हैं, जो उनकी feet होती हैं वो ऐसे water में float कर सकती हैं, so they can live in water. So this is the difference between tortoise and turtle. So tortoise can live in water. Sorry, turtles can live in water. See, ma'am भी confused हो गए. Turtles can live in water, but tortoise cannot live in water. ठीक है? ये ध्यान रखना है. Who can live in water? Turtle. And who cannot? Tortoise. Okay? So tortoise is a land animal and turtle is a water animal. Then we have animals like frog. Yes, frog is one. Frog can live both in the water, out the water. Frog कब आता है? When can you see a frog? In the rainy season. आवाज करते हैं वो लोग. They make a sound like this, and you know how they catch their prey. तो जो frogs होते हैं वो कैसे अपने खाने को पकड़ते हैं? How they catch their prey? उनकी जो टंग होती है, it is so long, वो बहुत long होती है. अगर कोई इंसेक्ट बहुत दूर भी बैठा है वो अपनी लंबी सी टंग थ्रो करते हैं और उनकी जो टंग होती है ना, इट्स वेरी स्टिकी, द टंग इज वेरी स्टिकी, सो वो जहाँ पे भी रखते हैं वहाँ पे जो भी होता है वो उस पर स्टिक हो जाता है एंड देन दे swallow it, वो फिर उसको खा जाते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ these frogs catch their prey. Now if we talk about these water animals, so इनको खाना कैसे मिलता है? Like we have farm animals, we have wild animals, so they are on land, they get their food. But how these water animals, पानी में जाके कौन खाना दे रहा है? Who can go in water? चपाती, सब्जी पानी में कैसे जा सकती है? How they are getting their food? Anyone can tell me? So these big fish, यहाँ पे क्या होता है? These water animals they eat each other. जो big fish होती है वो small fishes को खाती हैं. Few fishes they eat weeds. पानी के अंदर weeds होती हैं उनको खाते हैं. So this is how they are depending on each other for their food. अब क्या होता है, जो big sharks होती है, whales होती हैं, वो जहाँ पे छोटी छोटी fishes की colonies होती हैं, उनकी family रह रही होती है, वहाँ पे अटैक करती है और उनको खाती है. एंड सिमिलरली जो स्मॉल फिश होती हैं वो और छोटे छोटे worms को खाती हैं. क्लियर? दिस इज हाउ दे गेट देयर फूड. नाउ कम्स हाउ दे ब्रीथ. क्या आप स्विमिंग पूल में स्विमिंग करते टाइम इफ यू आर इन द वाटर आर यू एबल टू ब्रीथ? नो. ऑक्सीजन तो हमें मिलेगा ही नहीं ना, हमारी नोज में पानी भर जाएगा. सो हाउ दीज ऑल द वाटर एनिमल्स दे लिव, वो कैसे लिव करते हैं फिर? हाउ दे ब्रीथ? So all these water animals they have a different system. Like fish have gills, जो जहाँ से fish breathe करती है. So these gills are somewhere here. Scales जैसे ये दिखाए मैम ने आपको. So इस टाइप से fishes के पास क्या होते हैं? Gills होते हैं. And these gills help them to breathe. Is that clear to all of you? Those animals who can come out of water can go inside. They can breathe either ways. But these fishes, they breathe with the help of gills. Clear? Now, today we are going to do work. So this is all about a discussion we have done on water animals. Isn't it? So what do you, in the next class, not now, in the next class I'll be telling you something more about these water animals with the help of some pictures, some question answers. But for now, let's do our today's work. So open your book on page number 33. So today we are going to do work on book page number 33 as your classwork and 34 will be your today's homework. So they both are very interesting work for you. Open your books and let's see how we are going to do our today's work. Okay? So class, now open your EVS book on page number 33. So when you will open your book on page number 33, you will find the topic water animals. So first thing we are going to write today's date, 12th November 2020, and page number 33 is classwork. So we are going to write classwork here. 33 page number, your today's classwork. Paste stickers of water animals. So you have to paste stickers of these water animals from the back side. Can you see here we have different water animals? So first, this time we are going to paste stickers of all these water animals. Let's begin with the work. So fish. Here we have a fish. So very wisely you have to take out these stickers ताकि आपके बाकी के stickers ना खराब हो. Clear? So I'll take 2-3 stickers at a time. Like this. Peel them out very wisely. Don't damage other stickers. Now we have fish. So one fish, I'll be pasting it like this. Now when you are pasting these stickers, try to paste them exactly on the square. Next we have is a whale. So here we have a whale. This is a whale. So I'll paste a whale like this. Clear? Now this is a dolphin I was telling you about. I told you a very friendly fish who like to play also. So this is the one, dolphin. So fish, whale, dolphin. Now next we have is an octopus, a starfish. So now we have is an octopus, a water animal having 8 legs. See, count these, they are 8 legs. Then we have a starfish, a fish which is in the shape of a star. So this is called a starfish. Fish, whale, dolphin, octopus, starfish. Clear? Now moving ahead, we have so next we have is a frog. Yes, the one who comes in the rainy season, frog. Now we have a crocodile. So frog and crocodile, they both are the animals who can live without water and in the water. Frog and crocodile, they live in the water even outside the water. Now this is a jellyfish. मैम ने आपको बताया था एक अम्ब्रेला की तरह होता है. So see, this is a semicircular part which is sometimes transparent, and these are the thread-like tentacles that those keep floating. देख रहे हैं आप? This is called the jellyfish. Understood? Now next we have is a tortoise. So tortoise is basically not a water animal. Turtle होता है water animal. Tortoise water के आसपास मिलता है but not in the water. So जो पानी के अंदर होता है that is a turtle. Clear? And this is a crab. As I shown you, the one who walks sideways. जो sideways चलता है. This is that crab. So let's revise once again. A fish, a whale, dolphin, octopus. This is a starfish, a frog. Then it's a crocodile, jellyfish, tortoise, and a crab. Clear? Now the next question says, color the fish according to the size as directed. So there are 3 different fishes. They are of different sizes and the colors are different. The smallest one is red in color. Then we have the bigger one which is pink in color, and the biggest is orange in color. Now you have to follow the same key and you are going to color these 3 fish. Now can you tell me which is the smallest fish? A, B or C? Which is the smallest fish? This one is the smallest and it is red in color. So take your red color and color the smallest fish like this. So you have to color the whole fish with red color only. So like this you are going to color it beautifully using your pencil colors. Okay? And make sure that your color should not come out of the boundary lines. So like this you are going to do coloring in your smallest fish using your red color. Clear? Complete? Now the next one we have a bigger one which is pink in color. So take a pink color and tell me which is the bigger one. I am not asking the biggest, I am asking the bigger one. This is the bigger one. So we are going to color this fish with pink color. So take your pink color and color this fish. Again, make sure the color should not come out of the boundaries given to you. And don't leave any space uncolored also. बिना color का कोई भी white area नहीं छोड़ना. You have to fill the color everywhere inside the boundaries. Now tell me which is the biggest one. अब जो एक fish बच गई, that is the biggest one ना. And which color we are going to do in this biggest fish? It's orange. So take your orange color and color it like this. Now as I told you, can anyone tell me how a fish breathe in water? How they live? How they breathe? All these fish, they breathe with the help of gills. Yes, as we breathe with our nose, lungs, they breathe with the help of gills. And what they eat? क्या खाती हैं ये fish? They eat other fishes. जो big वाली होती है वो small वाली को खाती है. This is how they survive in water. They sleep in water, they play in water, they do everything in the water only. Yes, fishes sleep also. So they sleep in water. So this is how you are going to complete your today's classwork. Understood on page number 33. Now moving towards your homework, page number 34. Write down today's date, 12th November 2020, and mention HW. So what you have to do, color the water animals which can live both in water and on land. तो दोनों पे जहाँ रह सकते हैं. We have a crocodile, a tortoise and a frog. So now you are going to color those animals who can live both in water and on land. Is that clear? So class, I hope you have enjoyed our session, our conversation related to water animals today. So today we have learned about different water animals, the animals that live on and under the water. Keep revising it. So how you can do that? The stickers that you have pasted in your book, revise about different animals that we see or that we find underwater from there. Then what they eat. They eat different fishes and animals that live in water, under the water to survive. How they breathe with the help of gills they have. This is what we have discussed. So till next session, keep revising this video again and again and memorize about different water animals. But with this, don't forget to do your revisions of farm animals as well as wild animals. Is that clear to all of you? So bye for now. Complete your work. Share your work with me today only and keep enjoying your festivals also. Meet you soon. Bye. Take care.